guys, it's me, Gosie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be basically doing a vlog because lately I've been obsessed with vlogs, and I went on my watch later list, and most of the videos I have there are vlogs, and I don't know, I'm just obsessed with vlogs, and you guys really seem to like my previous vlog, so I thought that why not make another one, you know? And yeah, without further ado, let's just get this day started. So my first class just got cancelled. I was super in a rush, may be on time and get there, even though it's just my computer, but I just want to finish breakfast and I don't know, be not in my pajama when the class starts, but turned out it's cancelled, so yikes, we love that. And also I have some stuff to do today, and I just thought it will be fun to vlog that. So yeah, let's just move on to my day, and if you end up enjoying this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would truly make my day. So yeah, okay, so this is my today's outfit. It's both top and shorts are from Bershka. These shorts are actually longer than that, but I did that because I thought they will look cool, and also they have huge pockets and I love that. I just love pockets, you know. And yeah, I just said that my top is from Bershka as well, and I just love how fitted it is. You probably noticed that I cut my hair. I mean, I haven't done that by myself, but I think it looks pretty good. I mean, I like it. I wanted to cut my hair because I just needed some change after the quarantine, and also it's super hot right now and it's just easier to have shorter hair. They are now so light, and this is super cool. I really like that. So yeah, that's my outfit and that's my new hairstyle. And now let's go make coffee. If there is some sort of a weird background noise, it's probably the fan. I post a lot of stories with the pics of my coffee, and I just thought it will be fun to show you how I make it. So this is my favorite almond milk. I just love it so much. It's I have tried many almond milks, but this one is my favorite. I usually make my coffee in mason jars, so yeah. This is the coffee thing. It makes really good coffee. I really like it. Also, yesterday when me and my mom were at the grocery store, we also bought a coconut creamer, and it says for cooking, but I'm pretty sure you can also use it for coffee. I mean, I hope so. And I've never tried a creamer in my coffee, so it would be fun to try that. I hope it will, you know, taste good.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, hey. Look, pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad, we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. I am so glad your mama like me. Sweat up with Cupid, told her fight me. I stole your love, he shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR. Tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true, you mean the world to me. Travel around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me, and I gotta let you know. She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Look, you know you the baddest in the game. Show you how to blow like Lil Wayne. Baby, I ain't hard to at your feet.
So this is the final product. We're just gonna do a little taste test. This is so satisfying. Yeah, honestly, I don't really see a bigger difference. Maybe it's a little bit more sour, which is super weird. But yeah, that was my coffee recipe. I've never tried coconut creamer before, or like any type of coffee creamers. So I'm just gonna watch some YouTube videos and let this camera charge because I can see that the battery is dying, and I will also drink my coffee. Coffee that would be much better without this creamer, but that's fine. I mean, I wouldn't know about that if I haven't tried it, you know? So I don't really, so I was watching this one YouTube video, and I am going to plan my upcoming YouTube video now because I have an idea, but this is something that like requires some like planning and writing down. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a little planning. I just love planning, you know.
Sunlight in bed, we're living underneath the covers, mess with my head. I guess I'm just another lover. I don't wanna sit and talk about it up all night, 'cause I know the games you're gonna play to try to change my mind. Walk away and I won't ask you any questions. Still on your lips, I could taste a bit of heaven. 'Cause it's true that the sugar isn't sweeter. Chase you down, I won't ever learn my lesson. You make me sick, but I can't seem to medicate it. 'Cause it's true that the grass ain't always greener on the other side. On the other side.
So I just finished planning my video. It's after 12 now, and it took me way longer than I expected because I just couldn't find the information that I needed, and I was just so annoyed that I couldn't find it. And now the water is boiling because I'm making myself a tea, because I heard that during like hot summer days, like today's day, and it's really good to drink hot tea or like warm tea because it makes your body warm, and if it's like warm or hot outside, you just don't see that much difference, you know what I mean? I hope it makes sense. So yeah, I'm just making myself a tea. So I have like 40 minutes for my next class, and I decided that I want to decorate my wall with some new pictures that I printed. So yeah, basically how I did this photo wall, I just, you know, printed some photos from Pinterest on my printer. I know you can get like at like, I don't know, Walmart or something, you can just, you know, print your photos there, and obviously they are like better quality, but I am just too lazy to like go somewhere and like print them there. And also one thing, I have a very specific size because these are like 18 centimeters and 24 centimeters. I don't know how many inches is that, but like I was looking online and I haven't really so many places that offer pictures in that size, so that's why I haven't done that. And if there was a place with that size, the price for one picture was just like overly expensive, so it didn't really make any sense. And while doing that, I will be listening to some of my Spotify playlists. Go follow me on Spotify, it's at gosiecal, and yeah, or maybe I will listen to a podcast, even though there is no new episode of like any podcasts that I listen to, but let's see. I don't know, but I just love decorating my wall. I'm always listening to like a podcast or some music and just have the coolest vibe, so I'm just going to do that now.
You always made me feel so nervous. I don't wanna sit and talk about it all night. 'Cause I know the games you're gonna play to try to change my mind. Walk away and I won't ask you any questions. Still on your lips, I could taste a bit of heaven. 'Cause it's true that the sugar isn't sweeter. Chase you down, I won't ever learn my lesson. You made me sick, but I can't seem to medicate it. 'Cause it's true that the grass ain't always greener. Greener on the other side. On the other side. I don't wanna sit and talk about it all night. 'Cause I know the games you're gonna play to try to change my mind. Walk away and I won't ask you any questions. Still on your lips, I could taste a bit of heaven. 'Cause it's true that the sugar isn't sweeter. Sweeter.
So here how it looks like. Like this side hasn't really like drastically changed. Like I just added some new pictures and I need to like even out the two last lines because these pictures are like really like not regular, and like here it's more cohesive because like here all of the photos are pretty much the same size, so it looks good, but I need to like figure out what to do with this part because I am not enjoying it. So I just finished my first and at the same time last class of the day. Now I'm going to finish the book that I'm currently reading because I only have like one chapter left, and it's this book. It's called Princess and the Fangirl, and it was like the spin-off to the Geekarella, and I talked about that book in like my book recommendations video that I did like a while ago. But anyways, this is like a super cute and like chill novel, you know, you can just like sit and read it in one day because you can like you just fly by through this book. Also it's super nerdy, and I'm just going to read this one last chapter. I will see you after that. So yeah, I just finished that book, and yeah, it's really sweet and cute and recommend. Also, like I just love when they give like matching bookmarks and books. And also another random thing, I am super excited because today is actually my last day as a 14 years old. Tomorrow I'm turning 15. Also a random thing, but oh wow, it's a third random thing in a row, but I really feel like journaling. I think I'm going to journal now because yesterday I opened my journal for the first time since, let's see, since the April 1st, you know? So it's been a very long break, and yeah, it just felt really good writing yesterday, so I'm going to do that.